Namaskar. Welcome back to all my beautiful friends. So today's video is based on how you can do your own Mehndi makeup. So yeah, I've created this Rajasthani inspired look for which is perfect for your Mehndi, or even if you are attending a wedding or a party. So let's start the makeup and hairstyling. So as I've already applied, first of all I'm gonna apply this primer. My face is already moisturized, so primer. And afterwards, today I'm gonna start with eye makeup, I decided, because I am going to create a little more dramatic eyes today. So yeah, here I'm applying my orange color corrector to just underarms and I'm so sorry under eyes and some dark spots. And orange color corrector is like really important for, especially for my face. Then here I'm applying this uh, concealer on my eyes to create a base for my eye makeup, for eyeshadows, and blending it with this sponge. Now applying a little bit of compact so that all these things will not get mixed up with the foundation. So now I'm starting my eye makeup. First of all, I'm applying a darker bluish kind of eyeshadow for my crease line, and now I'm applying a silver eyeshadow for my eyes. So because it's a day look, so I am not going with bold colors. I want to make my eyes dramatic as well as subtle. Now I'm making my eyebrows, and I'm just filling my eyebrows, not making any kind of shape, just filling them. So eyebrows are really important. It really suddenly change your whole face, change the whole game. So always fill your eyebrows. Now applying my foundation. So I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Full Coverage Foundation because I need full coverage and I like full coverage foundation, so that we don't put too much efforts for our flaws and spots and everything. Though I don't have much, but still full coverage foundation is best. Now I'm applying brown bronzer for contouring of my face and blending it with the same brush, applying it on my nose also to sharpen my nose. Yeah, like this. My nose and lips have not proper shape, so I really always give more effort to these two portions especially. Now I applied this a little dark blush, pinkish blush, so that my cheeks look nice and highlighted also. Now I'm applying this long dramatic eyeliner. I'm using the same Maybelline liquid eyeliner in jet black shade. It's really nice, and so I'm creating a long dramatic eyes. Also making the corner for eyes so that my eye looks long and dramatic and beautiful. Yeah. On the lower side, I'm applying, first of all I'm applying this dark brown kind of eyeshadow to give them a little smoky effect. Now I'm highlighting my under eyes, nose and forehead. For making my lips fuller, I applied a little brown concealer around my lips to get that fuller effect. Nowadays fuller lips are too much in trend, and my lips, I really, as I already told you, I really need to put lots of efforts to my lips to make that appropriate shape. So I've done with the blending. Now I'm making shape. So first of all I'm making shape with this brown pencil so that they will naturally start looking fuller. Okay, I'm applying kajal to my waterline to get that black eye, cat eye kind of look. Now I'm curling my lashes and applying the mascara. Mascara is really important. Before I never use mascara too much. I always skip this, but when I started applying it, then I understand the difference. And nowadays I never skip my mascara. Now I'm making my lip shape a little, doing a little overlining to make them fuller and to make the proper shape, because I don't have that proper shaped lips. I'm using this beautiful purple shade today, pinkish purple kind of shade, and now I'm using a brown pencil and just giving a little fuller effect to my lips like so. And we are done. The highlighter is left, so I'm applying the highlighter on my nose and the upper cheeks, a little bit on my lips also, and the upper lip area also. And yeah, voila, we are done. So let's start the hairstyling now. Okay, so for hairstyling, because this is do your own makeup series, so I don't want to go for a typical hairstyle, so I just decided to go for a simple hairstyle. So here I'm just taking, with the help of a filling, I've created a puff, and then on that puff we are setting this Rajasthani style mantika, because a mantika needs some support. That's why I've created that puff. Now from the now I've collected all the hairs and making a big puff. So don't make a neat puff. I'm not going with a neat one. I've just pinned up like as it is, because I like a little messy kind of puff, not very neat and structured. I've created a bun, and yes, just with your hands make the shape proper and you are done. So let's see the final look. I wore this beautiful green lehenga. So I created, as I told you, created this look for Mehndi especially. So this beautiful green lehenga, and with a subtle jewelry and a subtle eye makeup and beautiful dewy make. It is really looking very nice, very beautiful, and you can definitely go for this makeup in any party or anywhere where you have to look special. And yeah, the chunni style I kept simple, because in Mehndi usually we have to go for the Mehndi, so it's better to leave our hands free. That's why I decided to go with this chunni draping, dupatta draping. And yeah, the final look is really beautiful, very nice, very pretty. You can definitely apply your ideas in the look, but I think the overall look is really beautiful, very nice. A little Rajasthani touch I've gave this look, so that I just wanted to try a little different kind of look. So I've created this overall beautiful Rajasthani inspired Mehndi look. If you guys want to go for a floral jewelry, you can definitely go for that. But I think I really like this kind of jewelry look. Floral jewelry is like, I think it's too common nowadays, so I decided to go for a little different kind of look. So yeah. As you can see, this waistband really looks very different and beautiful. Thank you so much guys for watching my video, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and comments below. If you have any comment related to content or anything, please comment and like, share and subscribe. Thank you.